men, and I use the term in a manly way today. We're going to start a long-term project here. We're going to be building a custom chopper for one of my customers. I expect this to be about a 6-month project. I'm going to post regular updates to it. We're going to look at all facets of bike building. Along with the bike, he gave me several totes that are full of goodies, shall we say. Anyway, first task is going to be to go through all this stuff, see what kind of parts are there, see what I'm going to be able to use or not use for building this particular bike. Stay tuned. Okay, so who says Christmas doesn't come twice? One of the reasons I got to go through all this crap is I need to see what I have to work with besides what's bolted to the bike right now. And for example, here we have XLCH rocker boxes chrome. This is the unnotched version, which is what the 900 should have on them. They are of course chrome. Chrome is all fucked up. I'm probably going to recommend to the owner that he gets these unchromed and uses them in place of the notched 1000cc rocker boxes. A couple of those. You know, people put nuts and bolts in these little bags. This is garbage. Part of a primary, kickstart gear, hole in the bag, bent used lock washer garbage. Got a full compensator. The usual beat the shit from people hammering them off. The other kickstart gear. Primary kickstart shaft. Okay, one box down. Let's see what's in this little guy. Let's see. Old Keek and Carb. Harley P-cams. Dirty and greasy. Dirty and greasy but looks usable. 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 And a wood screw. You know, going through this shit is always one of the fun parts of doing this. You know, somebody's dreams lived and died with these piles of parts. You never know what you're going to find. Okay, pitted chrome battery cover, another battery cover, dented, rusty and bent, garbage. Another battery tray, big box. All right. Box O headlights. Probably not usable on a motorcycle though. But that's nice, I like that. But still nice. Tuna parts, acorn nuts. These are totally useless. I don't use them, they go in the garbage. Some crappy nuts and bolts, a shock cover. What do we got here? Rubber band manifold and clamps. Dime a dozen. A cotter pin. Couple push rod tubes, a brake shoe. What the hell is this? Another shock cover. Not much else there. Moving right on down to the bottom of the big plastic tote. Let's see what we got in here. Handlebar clamp. I don't know, one of them tank bib cover things. Pretty useless, I think. Some more of that shit. That shit's probably gonna go in the garbage. And down to box of foot bags. Let's see. Yeah, a bunch of foot bags. And an old chain. And the hits keep on coming. And we have one head. Some junk. What do we got here? And a bunch of old crap. And yet some more. This may come in handy. Kickstart lever, brake pedal, and a rod might come in handy if we go at the disc brake. Who knows? Ooh, and what looks to be a new drivetrain. That's nice. Kickstand. The one that's on the bike right now is too long, so that may come in handy. And what do we got here? We have a headlight, spotlight, headlight. That looks like it might be good. Brand new. And I think that's a coil cover, also big twin variety, I do believe. No, you know what? That's a master cylinder cover maybe? I don't know. Basically junk. Yep, that's it for that one. Okay, big heavy box. Cylinder and a piston. Cylinder and a piston. Moving right along. Yet another box of junk. Oh, I'm sorry. I mean valuable classic motorcycle parts. Whoa, now we're talking.
You talking to yourself?
I'm talking to the camera, honey. We're making a video here. Hey, come on over, baby.
No.
Come here.
No, I'll
Come
see
here.
you.
Come here. Come on.
Bye. Your
Come on.
dog doesn't want to see you.
Come on, they want to see you.
No.
Show them your boobs. Show them your
No,
boobs.
shut up.
She never cooperates when I want her to show her boobs. This, a good one of these, is almost worth as much as the whole bike. I like magnetos. I like this. This is nice to have. We'll see if the owner is going to use it or not. And the usual assortment of junk hardware. And another cylinder head. Let's see what we got here. A little crusty, but it looks basically okay. My 900cc head gasket. And it is a 900cc cylinder head. This is kind of interesting. Here's a gob of silicone. Is that in there by accident? Did somebody plug this up on purpose? What's going on with that? You know, that right there, if the engine was run that way, is going to cause you problems big time. Interesting. And yet there's more. We've got some bearing cups and neck bearings. Look like it's all brand new. Seat spring, seat brackets, fender mount new, top motor mount, rear master cylinder, tachometer might work. Another seat spring, a front axle it looks like, a couple of axle spacers, another motor mount, pieces leftover chain, something I'm on a gauge with. I don't know what that is. I think it's going in the garbage. You know, these guys, these are actually real handy. When you got one of these old XLCHs, they don't have a lot of wires on them. And you could generally make all your terminations up under the headlight eyebrow. And these hide everything pretty well. I like these. They're kind of expensive too. You could buy them repo. I bet you that's $12 or $13. So these are handy. And what do we got here? Universal emergency cable repair. Let's see if that's what's in there. It is. That's nice. Yeah, that's handy, you know. Nice to have. And that's that pile of crapola. What do we got here? A speedometer cable, a speedometer cable, a brake hose, whoa, and the box O carburetors. Flat side mic, a Keegan that doesn't look too bad, another Keegan. It's got a note written on it, works good, July 2008. It's only 12 years ago, not bad as this stuff is concerned. Yet another Keegan that really looks pretty good. And the hits keep on coming. And that's it for this big tote. Finally have reached the bottom of the pile. Hand grip, stock tail light, stock turn signal, another set of ugly gauges, empty can, another turn signal. Box full of lenses and turn signal housing. And that's that for that box. Officially now, that's it. I have gone through everything. There's an extra front end he brought over, laying over there. Don't know what I'm going to do with that for sure. Don't know whether any of this stuff will end up on his bike or not. I told him I'd give him some credit on the cost of labor. You know, maybe peddle some of this stuff on eBay. You know, I don't know that there's, but very few of these parts that might make it to the finished bike. But anyway, that's what we got. So that wraps up the, I guess I'll call it the discovery phase of this little project. Went through all the bits and pieces. Not a lot in there that's going to be particularly useful for this project. Obviously, the bike is going to need a lot of stuff. Somewhere in there I should be able to find a good carburetor, I hope. It's going to need a fender, going to need a seat. We'll see what he wants to do, what the owner wants to do about handlebars. You know, tires, they always need tires. Battery, electrical system, you name it, it's going to need. Anyway, that's for the next time around. In the meantime, I am out of here. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day. Bye.